Web development has transformed dramatically. From simple static pages to dynamic interactive applications, the evolution is astounding. But what drove this change? Let's explore the journey from static to dynamic web experiences. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Static pages were limited, offering little interaction. They served content but lacked engagement. As user expectations grew, so did the need for more dynamic solutions. This set the stage for modern web development. React, Next.js, and Angular are at the forefront of modern web development. But why these frameworks? They offer powerful tools for creating dynamic, responsive applications. Let's dive into what makes each unique. React is known for its component-based architecture, making UI development intuitive. Next.js enhances React with server-side rendering, boosting performance. Angular provides a comprehensive framework for building robust applications. React simplifies UI creation with its component-based approach. Components are reusable, making development efficient. This architecture allows developers to build interactive, dynamic user interfaces with ease. React's virtual DOM ensures updates are fast and efficient. By only re-rendering components that change, React optimizes performance, providing a seamless user experience. Next.js builds on React by offering server-side rendering and static site generation. This enhances performance and improves SEO, making applications faster and more discoverable. With Next.js, developers can create highly optimized applications. The framework's ability to pre-render pages ensures quick load times, providing users with a smooth experience. Angular offers an all-in-one solution for building applications. Its two-way data binding and dependency injection streamline development, making it a powerful tool for complex projects. Angular's robust architecture supports large-scale applications. Its comprehensive tools and features enable developers to create scalable, maintainable solutions efficiently. The shift from monolithic architectures to microfrontends is significant. Microfrontends allow independent development and deployment, enhancing flexibility and scalability in web applications. By breaking applications into smaller, manageable pieces, microfrontends enable teams to work autonomously. This approach reduces complexity and accelerates development cycles. Integrating React, Next.js, and Angular can create a cohesive architecture. Each framework brings unique strengths, and together they offer a versatile toolkit for developers. Real-world examples show successful integration of these frameworks. By leveraging their strengths, developers can build robust, scalable applications tailored to specific needs. Staying updated with the latest trends in front-end development is crucial. Mastering frameworks like React, Next.js, and Angular opens new career opportunities and keeps your skills relevant. By continuously learning and adapting, you ensure your skills remain in demand. Embrace these frameworks to future-proof your career and stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Recap. We've explored the evolution of web development, the power of modern frameworks, and the shift to microfrontends. Understanding these concepts is key to building dynamic, scalable applications. By mastering these tools, you'll enhance your development skills and open doors to exciting opportunities. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the future of web development. Call to action. Start exploring these frameworks today. Experiment with React, Next.js, and Angular in your projects. By doing so, you'll gain valuable experience and stay competitive in the tech industry. Join us in this journey of continuous learning. Dive deeper into each framework and let's build the future of web development together. Your next step starts now.